Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can surf private in Safari on your phone, or iPhone in iOS14. So what you want to do is when you're going to click on Safari, and this is like normal, right? But when you want to surf private, go to the right down corner and you're going to see these two, layers, and then you're going to choose private. And right now, when you're going to click private, you're going to automatically add in private side. So that's pretty much it. And this is how you do it. So again, you click on Safari, right down corner, and choose a private. And whatever you're going to search on private, don't ever forget to close the private side, okay? So this is pretty much how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.